Hey, rail fans and model railroaders. Welcome back to another episode of Getting Back on Track with Steve
and Roxy. We haven't gotten much done in the layout this week. We've been helping some family through some medical issues. So we have some other things to share with you this week.
So number one, we thought we'd go over what we plan to do with the River Falls area. So we know we want to have a water feature. We're going to need to build a bridge for that area. And we've got some other really cool ideas we think will make some real interesting layout. Also, we got our very first piece of mail for our channel. So we thought we'd go ahead and have a box opening and show you what we received.
Let's head on into the layout and check that out.
So our friend John over at the Great Northern Railroad had a contest and we went ahead and entered and we actually won something. How exciting that is. So let's see what he sent us. A box full of peanuts. Let's get this out without getting peanuts everywhere. Move that off to the side. Oh my. Looks like we have an Atlas here. This is a GP40 Union Pacific. Looks pretty nice. Let's go ahead and get this out. See here, I'm not sure how the packaging works. Slides out. There we go. Ooh. Boy, does this look good. Some little extra little bits and bobs. Looks like a bumper. This is nice. It's got the engineer in there. Some nice handrails painted. Looks like I gotta get a screwdriver to be able to get this out, but that's really nice. Really nice. So what do you think? This will go along real well on our layout. So let me get a hold of a screwdriver, we'll get her off, and we'll see what we can do about running it on the rail just a little bit. I'm anxious to see how it goes. What a great gift. So let's take a closer look at the locomotive here. So this is road number 515 Union Pacific GP40. So it has lighted number boards up front. It's got really nice detail with the wipers on all sides. It came with some sunshades we need to install still. If you look up here, you can see it's got the engineer inside and a fireman as well. Got our snow plow, all of our hookups, nice couplers. And I like how they've gone ahead and painted up the safety rails on this. Has blackened wheels. It's a really nice loco. And what really surprised me with this was this locomotive has directional lighting. So in reverse, the back will light up. Boards and everything lights up going forward. And this is DCC ready. So I'm running strictly DC at this time, but plan to transition to DCC down the road. So this will be perfect for mine. We'll go ahead and get a controller in here down the road, and we might even put sound in it. So this is going to be a great addition to the logos we have now. And it's GP40 is perfect for the time era that we want to model, and that's the 1960s, 1970s. Those were the era that I remember the most when I was younger, trains running through my town. Okay, here's our River Falls area. And the idea that we have here is we want to make a waterfall canyon gorge in here. So enable us to do that, we're going to have to cut away some of this plywood and cut it back. And we're going to need to put in a bridge. Now, this is the bridge that we've decided on, and it's a Walthers, it's a Martinized double track bridge. And I looked and looked and looked, and I could not find any files that I could use for a double track on Thingiverse or anything, so I could just 3D print it, which was the original idea. Everything I found was a single track. But we have two main lines running through here, so we need to have that double track. Also, we're thinking that here, if we cut this away with the bridge going across, we could use the foam to kind of build a gorge in this area and have it coming up into a mountain as we go back, so it'll come off the bridge directly into a short tunnel. The mountain would come all the way over to here, so our lower elevation would come in along the river and in through a tunnel as well. So I think this is a real good solution for the kind of thing we're looking for. And we've seen a lot of great looking waterfalls and techniques, and we're really excited about trying some of these techniques. So I think this will work pretty good for us. So as we move forward, we're gonna do some video, we'll build this bridge up, and then we'll take some photos and of other waterfalls, and we'll make a decision exactly how we want to make this gorge look along with our bridge. So we're really excited about this part, and we think it's going to be a great focal point for the layout. Well, there you go.
We're really excited to get working on the River Falls area and to build that bridge. It's the first kit we've ever done.
And we really want to thank John over at Great Northern Railroad for sending that truly awesome Union Pacific GP40 to us. You know, not only is it a beautiful little locomotive, it is DCC ready. So that sets us to the future of our layout when we transition over to DCC. So make sure that you go over and check out John's channel, The Great Northern Railroad. He's got almost 100 videos and a lot of really interesting stuff over there. He's a great guy and really an interesting watch. We'll make sure to put a link in the comments, and it'll be the first comment. It'll take you right over to his channel.
So we're looking forward to making videos for you again next week. Make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified of our next video.
Until then, have fun running your model railroads, and remember to keep on happy modeling. Bye, guys.
Bye.